Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the second question. The question says that show that any positive integer, odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. So any positive odd integer will be of this form we need to prove, and we will prove this with the help of Euclid's division lemma. Before that, we need to know one thing, that any odd integer is of the form 2k plus 1, where k is some integer. All odd integers of the form 2k plus 1, whereas all odd even integer is of the form 2m, where m is an integer. So all odd integers are of the form 2k plus 1 and all even integer is of the form 2m. Now we know that Euclid's division lemma says that a is equal to bq plus r. Here we will take that a be any positive integer, because they have given here positive integer. So let a be any positive integer and b be 6. I will tell you why I have taken here as 6. So we know that a is equal to bq plus r. This is from Euclid's division lemma, where r lies between 0 and b, or will start from 0 and it is less than b. Now if you substitute here b is equal to 6 in this equation, we will get a is equal to 6q plus r. Now r lies between again 0 and the value of b here is 6. So r starts from 0 and it should be less than 6. Now with this we can write the values of r here. What will be the possible values of r? The possible values of r are 0, it starts from 0, r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. R is less than 6. So the value of r is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will see one by one. If r is equal to 0, then the value of a here 6q plus 0, you will get 6q only. Whereas r is equal to 1, if the value of r is 1, then a is equal to 6q plus 1. If r is equal to 2, then the value of a is 6q plus 2. Then if the value of r is 3, then the value of a is 6q plus 3. If r value is 4, then 6q plus 4. If r is 5, then the value of a is 6q plus 5. So these are the possible values of a, that is a might be equal to 6q, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4 and 6q plus 5. Here we have taken b as 6 because here we will get 6q plus r. Since they have given it is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5, we have taken b as 6. If they have asked to prove the positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1, 4q plus 3 or 4q plus 5, then we have to take the value of b as 4. So these are the possible values of a. Now if you see the a is equal to 6q, this a is equal to 6q is an even number, because if you substitute the values of q, then you will get multiples of 6, then they are even numbers. And you can also prove like this. 6q can be written as 2 into 3q, so multiples of 2. I already said before that all even integers is of the form 2m, so this is of the form 2 raised to m, so this is an even number. Also 6q plus 2, this is also an even number. Again 6q, if it is even number, if you add 2 to any even number, then that is also an even number only. And also 6q plus 4 here, This is also an even number. If 6q is an even number, if you add 4 to any even number, then that is also an even number. Now here if you take 6q plus 1 and 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5, these three we will consider now. I will rub now 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. Now 6q plus 1. If you consider this 6q plus 1, this 6q plus 1 I can write as 2 into 3q plus 1. I have taken, if you multiply 2 into 3, 6q plus 1, you will get same. So this, then I'll write as 2 into 3q, I will write as k1 plus 1, where k1 is any integer. K1 is integer here. And 6q plus 3. 6q plus 3 here, we can write 6q plus 3 as 6q plus this 3 I will write as 2 plus 1. Now 6q here, if you take common in these first two terms, 2 into 3q plus 1 plus 1. If you multiply 2 into 3, 6q will get plus 2 into 1 is 2, this plus 1. Now this 3q plus 1 also we can write as 2 into k2 plus 1. This 3q plus 1 I've written as k2, where k2 is any integer. We can write this. So 6q plus 5 as 6q plus 5 I can write as 4 plus 1. So here also if you take 2 common, we will get 3q plus 2 plus 1. That is 2 into 3 is 6q, plus into plus is plus, 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1. Here also 2 into k3 plus 1. Now we have expressed 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 as 2k1 plus 1, 2k2 plus 1, 2k3 plus 1, where k1, k2 and k3 are some integers. Now with this we can tell that this 6q plus 1 and 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are of this form, that is 2k1 plus 1, 2k2 plus 1 and 2k3 plus 1. I said before that if any integer is of the form 2m plus 1, then that number is an odd number because they are not divisible by 2. If the number is not divisible by 2, then it is an odd number. So here also 2k plus 1, 2k plus 2k2 plus 1, 2k3 plus 1, they are all odd numbers. Hence, because these numbers 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 are not divisible by 2. Hence, any positive odd integers will be of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. I hope you understood. Just to recall, we will use this logic to prove, that is all even numbers of the form 2m and all odd numbers of the form 2k plus 1, where k is any integer, and we will use Euclid's division lemma to prove this theorem or problem. Thank you.